In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop your images in Wix. Cropping is one of the quickest ways to make your website visuals feel intentional and polished. A clean crop can remove distractions, highlight the subject, and keep layouts consistent from page to page. We'll keep it simple and focus on getting your image framed exactly the way you want it inside the Wix editor. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor and navigating to the page that contains the picture you want to refine. Click the image. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box with handles around it and a small toolbar nearby. If you have overlapping elements, click directly on the photo itself to be sure you're targeting the right layer rather than a strip or a background. Next, click on Edit Image. This opens Wix's built-in editor for that picture. Think of it as a safe workspace. You're editing how the image appears on the page without altering the original file in your media library. It's a great way to experiment with composition while preserving the source. Inside the editor, click on Crop and Extend. This tool gives you the frame you'll use to define what stays in view. Cropping trims away the edges you don't need, while extending can add extra space around the picture if you ever want more breathing room. You may also notice helpful options that indicate aspect ratios, which can keep galleries or banners looking consistent. Now, adjust the corner to crop it. Drag any corner of the crop box inward or outward to set the boundaries of your image. Corners resize in two directions at once, which helps maintain proportional balance. Edges adjust a single side if you need finer control. As you move the frame, use on-screen guides to align key details and keep horizons level. Aim to leave a little negative space around the subject so the design doesn't feel cramped, and try placing points of interest near intersections of the grid for a pleasing, balanced look. For products, a centered crop can feel clean and reliable. For portraits, giving a bit more room in the direction of the gaze often feels natural. Before you wrap, take a second look for chopped text, cut elbows, or important details too close to the edges, especially if the image will appear in different layouts across your site. A thoughtful crop keeps file clarity high and your design consistent. That's it. Click the image, choose Edit Image, select Crop and Extend, then adjust the corners to perfect your composition.